Are you looking to update your flooring and have kids or pets at home and are curious of what type of flooring would be best for you? Well, our most popular product is LVP, or luxury vinyl plank. And the most common form of that is the click or floating, which is what we have right here. It is very popular. There's actually another form called glue down LVP, which is the samples I have here. The click LVP is a great option. It's super efficient. You grab a couple pieces, they click together just like this, lay down, and we're done. Extremely scratch resistant, they're waterproof, so it's ideal for a family with kids, with pets, with high traffic, for easy maintenance, easy care. Another great option of LVP or luxury vinyl plank is glue down. And what's great about the glue down is you're gonna get the same look and feel of the click. However, it's a thinner product that is glued directly to the floor. It's a great option for people that are wanting a space that has heavy traffic. They want the same waterproof durability as the click, but the ease of replacing a single plank if something were to get damaged. It's also a great option if you're a small business owner or a business owner for your store. So if you're looking to update your home, whether it's click flooring or glue down, or simply just want to know which one's best for you, the best thing to do would be to give us a call. We'll come out and do a free measure just for you and help guide you along the way.